Hey y'all, Mama Lisa is back in the kitchen. This morning I set my cream cheese out to get room temperature, okay? Left it on the cabinet. I have capped some strawberries. They're North Carolina strawberries, and I need to do something with them. So I thought I would make Miss Paula Deen's pretzel salad for dinner for my crew tonight. So I followed her recipe, and I'm just gonna read the first part of it to you because I gotta hurry up here. My point is, I followed her recipe from her cookbook. I preheated the oven to 400 degrees, and then I used pretzels that I crushed, 2 cups of those. I mixed with the pretzels 1.5 sticks of melted butter, which is 3/4 cup. And I also put in 3 tablespoons of white granulated sugar. I pushed that down into this pan. Okay, this is one of those recipes, there's a couple of steps to it. Okay, and then I let that cool completely. Went on about my business. I've come back to it. I mixed 1 package of cream cheese at room temperature and 3/4 cup of white granulated sugar. And then I folded in 1 container, 8-ounce container of Cool Whip to this mixture, okay? I'm gonna set this to the side. I love good recipes, and that her pretzel salad, in my book, is one of the best, okay? So I do not have strawberry gelatin. So I mixed, just like the recipe said from Miss Paula, but I had plain gelatin. So I used 3 ounces of plain gelatin in 2 cups of boiling water. It looks like that. It's just, I had 3 little packets of it in my pantry. And we've been doing recipes on Cooking, Cutting Up, Keeping It Real that are use what you got recipes. So that's what I'm doing, okay? So her recipe says, you know, to let this cool, the gelatin, after you dissolve it. So I'm gonna grab an ice cube and I'm gonna put it in there because I wanna speed this process up just a tad. Okay, I'm gonna drop 2 cubes of ice in mine, okay? And that's gonna add a little more liquid to it, but I think it'll be fine. And I'll, you know, show you a picture of it underneath this vlog. I'll also post a picture to Instagram that will also post to my page on Cooking, Cutting Up, and Keeping It Real. So if you wanna see that, you know, once we cut it tonight and I plate it up, I will post you a picture, okay? But to speed that process up, that's what I'm doing. So to this, I'm gonna add my strawberries, which I have washed and capped earlier this morning. Then I'll relax the body down. I'm gonna add to these strawberries 1 can of crushed pineapple. Now, you can make this recipe kind of your own as far as what fruit you use, but that's what's in season here, okay? So I'm just gonna kind of toss that a little bit, and then I'm gonna dump that, hold on, into my gelatin. Or maybe I should just pour my gelatin into here. That's what I'll do. Ooh, it's gonna be full. Yup, it's gonna be full. Okay, you need a bigger bowl than this when you do it at home for yourself, okay? I'm gonna make do while the sun shines, like the ox in the ditch kind of thing. So I'm just gonna gently get this mixed. That's part of Keeping It Real on my Facebook page blog, which is Cooking, Cutting Up, Keeping It Real. And being a farmer's wife for almost 30 years. I've learned a few, you know, shortcuts. Today is one of those days because I did not have the strawberry gelatin. Now I'm gonna pour this over this pretzel salad with the gelatin and the fruit. And then I'm gonna kind of spread this out best I can. And then I'm gonna cover this, put it in my refrigerator, let it chill completely down and set up for at least 2 hours, I would guess. But I'm gonna serve this for dinner tonight. So I'm gonna have, oh, I don't know, 4 hours at least. that's how I do my strawberry gelatin salad, strawberry pretzel salad. And the only thing I changed out of Miss Paula's recipe was the fact that I did not have strawberry gelatin. I had plain. It won't matter when we eat it. But I will show you a picture of that. Plate it up when we get ready for dinner tonight. Thanks for tuning in. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Another thing to do with your strawberries, strawberry pretzel salad. See y'all.